Welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation the Lakers from the 27th to the 1st of May 2026 on Monday. Sebe catches Mzimkhulu in a lie and reacts unexpectedly. Tao brings Lulu into his revenge scheme. Minky confront Nontle heads on. Nontle has an unconventional idea for Melo's baby. Jack commits to the traditional route on Tuesday. Nontle gets Arthur and Minky into a room together with a disastrous result. Mzimkhulu changes direction with Nomasebe. Mela is excited to start a new chapter, but things go horribly, supernaturally wrong. Nomasebe's search for her mother takes an unexpected turn on Wednesday. Melo remains unconscious and it becomes clear that she is a victim of something supernatural. Nomasebe desperately wants to believe she has found her mom, but some things don't add up. Minky is determined to destroy Arthur and regain control of the Martinique sugar on Thursday. Lulama takes her suspicions to Mpho, but she shut it down, determined to make things right his own way. Jack comes to a shocking decision. Minky causes havoc at the podcast. The things spirally out of control as Melogutle's situation worsen even after Mpho sacrifices all on Friday. Mpho blames himself for Melo's fate. A great opportunity comes in Nontle's way, but she's not sure she wants it. Minky goes on an adventure that ends on a downer, but makes new friends. Jack has to take an immense sacrifice to save his baby. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.